Little bit of a deer in the headlight budget. It's like they didn't know what to do.
A thumbs down on Alberta's new budget from the opposition NDP. Leader Rachel Notley critical of the plan, saying it failed to account for population growth and inflation.
We needed to see a budget that had a plan to put people back to work, keep young people in Alberta, grow our tech sector, and diversify our economy. As much as Jason Kenney is trying to claim otherwise, this is a cuts budget.
There's over $1 billion in pay cuts. So this is devastating.
Public sector unions negotiating with the province say the new job and compensation cuts will do little to smooth over an already tumultuous relationship.
It doesn't look like we're going to reach an agreement at the table, so a strike, or maybe even the government will lock its own employees out. We don't know yet, but we're preparing for that.
The increase that they're talking about is not as significant as they're making it out to be.
Healthcare advocates do welcome $900 million in new funding, but believe the plan to add more than 50,000 new surgeries may be a Trojan horse.
Is basically going towards opening the doors to the private sector to come in and do surgeries. It won't do anything to to basically support our public system and finding solutions within it.
Education leaders also concerned about primary funding remaining static for the next 3 years.
We know that school boards were struggling with budgets that came down last year to meet the needs of their students in their classrooms and within their communities. A budget that is maintained moving forward will continue to do that.
And while some critics bemoan the cuts or restrained spending, others suggest the budget didn't go far enough on setting the province back on course to balance.
We're still seeing operating spending going up by $1 billion this year. Why is the Premier's office increasing its budget by $2 million? So we're disappointed because we really do see a lack of effort to find savings.
In Edmonton, Courtney Theriault, City News.